Alright, welcome back everybody. We're going to play another Tainted character I've yet to touch since coming back to these Johns, and it's Azazel. Yeah, the old Sneezoholic Azazel. So, what's special about Azazel? Well, he's a little bit unique, where his counterpart is high damage, low range. He has the full brimstone range, but he sneezes. What is that sneeze, you might ask? Well, I think we all know, if you know, it's hemoptosis, which basically, if I mark an enemy, let's say I sneeze on an enemy, and it does do damage, but if I sneeze on an enemy and get close to them, I will then also do big damage with my brimstone. So it's not bad at all. I don't remember much about this Tainted character. I've honestly kind of forgotten about Azazel in general. And I'm fighting Steven, so I'm going to wait till one gets close. I'm going to sneeze, and then my brimstone does big damage. Yeah, look at that. Love that. Now, eventually the effect does wear off on enemies. I remember thinking that if you killed these guys in a certain order, they would drop themselves respectively. Okay, we can go Corpse Bomb or Beast. But I think just little Steven is just so common. I have to believe that it's probably better than what it sounds like. Ends to the end. So that 15 cents turns into, okay, a golden bomb, which I can definitely get down for. We're gonna take this, and it's justice. I'm not fighting this. I don't know who told you guys I was fighting that, but no sir. Alright, now at least getting our item room. Good. Some money. Ooh, we can get 15 here? Definitely can. Okay, we're back to 15. Okay. And let's see, Mr. Mega or Mystery? I'll go Mystery. Well, I'm rewarded. I'm rewarded for my choice. I'm gonna do this. Stud Finder, which gives me 1/200 chance finding a crawl space. Oh my! Oh, it actually worked. Wow. It didn't even take me that long. Thank you very much, Stud Finder. I would attribute this to you 100%. What was it though? It's little. it's Sashi. Okay, well, I suppose you can't win them all, but hey, it's a Hushie we wouldn't have had otherwise. So you know what? Join the club. Join the party, Hushie. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing this guy. He gives me the bean. Play. Yeah, I think he's just gone. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Actually, with an H. Oh, Blessed Penny is just massive. Sorry to say. Gimpy good. Backstabber good. Book of Belial good. Ah, shoot. Yeah, I think Backstabber is just so good, so I'm gonna have to go with it. Wow. Treacherous. We'll use the bomb here. 2 keys. Okay. I mean, that works. Pointy Rib is good. Actually, it works pretty well with what we're doing. Black Candle, huge. That's big time right there. Walls of Steel. Excellent bill. And it's Turdlet. Okay. Turdlet is definitely fightable again when we're in Spectral mode. 100%. Okay, Magic Scab, huge. Love that. Well, I'm definitely going to take Consolation Prize. Tears Up is awesome. Mr. Me. It actually probably is better than Bottle of Pills, and now we're going to Black Rune it for Tears Up and Damage Up. Very nice. Very good. Nice. Okay, that actually wasn't so terrible, and shoot, we actually did not get Deal with the Devil. That's 72%, that's too bad. Wow, blood bag, very good. We like the speed up big time here. Love that speed up. Oh my gosh, we actually did get to the deal with the devil. How about that? And it's lump of coal, which is very, very solid. So how about that? Lucky us. Curved horn. Oh, that or blessed penny. I think I'm gonna stick with blessed penny for now, but I totally understand why you do curved horn. Great, we get to see the item room now. It's spider bite. I think slow is very good. It's definitely worth picking up. Whoa. Okay, we got toothpicks, which I'm usually a big fan of, and we got deal with the devil. Monster Manual. Not terrible. Definitely not terrible. Let's see if we can get it for free. No. We'll say no for now, though. And we've got, oh, okay, so that's damage up and a health up. Small speed down, but I think I can live with it, honestly. Good oh, whoa! Big damage up. Okay, now. We're going to reverse Emperor now, actually. Okay, Siren, so we're going to use Mr. Me on Siren. Oh, okay, well, we missed. No, we didn't. Oh, God. This actually works really well, I think. I don't know if it's Backstabber that's doing all this damage or what. It's definitely Backstabber, who are kidding. Sweet, we got Jesus Juice. Nice, HP up is definitely good. Love to see what's in here. This is Pluto, Tears Up, cool. Now we can check out our item room as well. Mom's Bra, I'm going to pass on for Mom's Perfume. Again, okay, we got a good tier right here, that's for sure. But I think, whoa! But I think with our lovely Backstabber as well as our Sneeze, wow, I mean, we did great damage. Can't even deny it. We'll take another HP upgrade. The shop has Tarot Cloth, which, hey man, if you're going to give me nothing except, I guess I'm very happy to see Tarot Cloth. It's a very good one. Nice, we did get the second blood bag, so our speed's returned to full status. Our HP's very healthy. Nice. Very, very good way to end this floor. I'd love to know what's in the item room. Proptosis. Wow. You know what? We're going to go for it. Oh, I know we just had it on Tainted Bethany, but you know what? It seems like a good call, and we're also going to do this. We're going to open these. Well, that wasn't successful, unfortunately, but... So we can go the distance with them. Actually, it's Pentagram flat out. Very happy to see it. And we'd love to know what his compatriot is also selling. Well, he's bigger than me, so oh my god. Yeah, we'll take it. We will take the HP. We're going to sneeze on it right away. And oh my goodness, to Betsy. We one-shot her, for goodness sake. Sacrificial altar here? I mean, listen. I'm not even thinking about Satanic Bible. But sac altar, let's just hope. Oh, we got actual brimstone and void? What is... Oh my gosh. Okay, here's what you can do, though. You can try and get Satanic Bible for free twice. Then you void it. Oh, it didn't let me use it as this ability. Okay. Too bad. We're good. We kept our... Do I do Satanic Bible? No, Void is so good. I mean, it might not have very much use anymore, but... Oh my... The sneeze damage is almost unreal. I'm gonna sneeze on him and probably one-shot him. Jeez Louise, that is strong. We did get our deal with the devil. It's a Thame and Rotten Baby. Well, we'll play here and see what we can do. We have 6. Wait, what? No, we don't? Wow. Okay, all that for virus. Not the worst thing in the world. Let's go ahead and get Rotten Baby. And then we're going to void this into damage and luck. Not bad at all. We don't have a whole lot of HP, but at the same time, we do so much damage. Oh, whoa. Maybe not so much damage. I thought we were doing a lot of damage. Oh no, we do a lot of damage. Never mind. That was much quicker than usual. These guys sneeze on it, that's all. I mean, this Proptosis Brimstone is just killer. I mean, seriously, killer. Oh yeah, come on. Yeah, yeah, wow. That's Tainted Azazel, man. Holy guacamole. Talk about strength you ain't ever seen before. We unlocked Azazel's Stump. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I sure did, and we're still cruising here.